Sweet and tender lady, you've got me backed up against the wall. Hey, baby, you've taken over me, my heart, my soul, and my body, girl. Feeling good, feeling good, feeling good, feeling good about you, feeling good about you, baby, you, baby, oh yeah. Back up against the wall, back up against the wall, helpless as can be. Girl, I'm about to fall. You have taken over me. I'm happy as can be.
Sadly, I gave up, I know. I was out of options with nowhere left to go. I was much too young back then, baby, just a kid. And it just seemed I'd stay that way no matter what I did. So let's say it. The building was around us now. Oh, say it. The building was around us now. The guy said,
"Hey, Buzz Billy,
yeah,
what have you achieved?"
for all intents and purpose, man, it's easier to leave. It just seems whoever else approaches me, there's always an imbalance, I mean, ideologically. Now let's say it. The building was around us now. Oh, say it. The building was around us now. Seems that I fell out of luck into that stretch on so fuck up. I know. Seems that I fell out of luck into that stretch on so fuck up. I know. Now it seems blindfolded, I just tag along. When I find out that I did wrong, baby, you were gone. I smile and shake my head at this, what else can I do? I keep getting signs, baby, all leading back to you. The building was around us now. Oh, say it. The building was around us now. It seems that I fell out of luck into the outskirts of the fuck up. I know. Oh, it seems that I fell out of luck into the outskirts of the fuck up. I know.
First time we met, it took me by surprise. Ooh, girl, you walked into my life with those street corner blues. You were living in the fast lane, much to my surprise, baby. But I fell for you anyway. I'm addicted to your love, girl. Hey, stone love. Saw me as a rock. I'm in love with you, baby. Stone love. Ooh, saw me as a rock. Girl, our love is so unique. It's one of a kind.